Hello everyone, this is my Zotac GTX RTX 4090 Trinity OC overclocked edition. You see it has lots of features: high system 3.0, advanced GPU cooling, dual BIOS, Spectra 2.0, dynamic RGB lighting, freeze, can stop when GPU is idle, Firestorm, a refined UI for easy and intuitive GPU tuning and key monitor. Its key feature: dedicated ray tracing cores, dedicated tensor cores, NVIDIA DLSS, Meridian, NVIDIA Studio drivers, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Broadcast, NVIDIA G-Sync, NVIDIA GPU Boost, GDDR6X graphics memory, PCI Express Gen 4, Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, Vulkan RT APIs, Vulkan 1.3, OpenGL 4.6, HDCP 2.3, DisplayPort 1.4, supports 4K 120Hz HDR and 8K 60Hz HDR and variable refresh rate as specified in HDMI 2.1a. The ultimate platform for gamers and creators, cutting-edge GPUs, NVIDIA next-gen architecture, AI accelerated performance, NVIDIA DLSS, realistic and immersive graphics, dedicated ray tracing cores, game winning responsiveness, NVIDIA Reflex, built for live streaming, NVIDIA encoder, AI enhanced voice and video, NVIDIA broadcast app, fast track your creativity, NVIDIA Studio, fine-tuned drivers, game ready and studio drivers. So this NVIDIA 4000 series, it has DLSS, ray tracing, NVIDIA Reflex and Studio. And this card has 5 years warranty, 2 years local warranty and 3 years is extended warranty, international warranty. So total 5 years of warranty in this Zotac Gaming Trinity OC. The card is very heavyweight. I actually captured this video on one hand and oh shit. The packaging also impressive on Zotac. Love gaming, power the win. This is actually Zotac driver installation manual. Locate the RGB header on your Zotac gaming graphics card. Plug the bundled 3-pin RGB header cable into the graphics card, then connect your LED light strip to the cable. RGB port color is red for easy identification. Available on select models. Using a tool like a needle nose filer or some similar tool not included may help with the plug connection. Compatible with 5V 3-pin LEDs light strip not included. This is the power connector. And this is the LED strip connector. It will connect to the motherboard actually. Wow, what a big card this is. Very big, heavyweight. Wow, what a beast! It's a very beefy card. Very big. Nice. The card is very big and bulky. It has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 port.
Change your